We talk about grounding as if it's the only or one of the major ways of connecting with our inner self, our physical self, mental, emotional, energetic, spiritual, even with the earth. And a truth, my understanding of this, is grounding is so much more than that. And petrified wood is a good place to get started, or one of the best, in my humble opinion, forms, whether it's an obelisk or a palm stone, which is so easy to take on a walk. It's so much more than just grounding. It encapsulates energies from how long ago. So you have energy in the palm of your hand that is ancient and full of more natural vibes than maybe some other pieces that are around. And actually, we could say that about all the crystals, minerals, and stones, because they've been formed over thousands and thousands, some of them a couple million years, like stromatolite. Anyway, this is the one that I reached in and pulled out of my basket this morning. And it's not, the intention was just to reach in and get a palm stone. And this is the one that came out at first when I saw it. This was, oh, my Dragonstone Septarian. Then I turned it over and no, this is petrified wood. Okay, so solid, oh, thank you. Solid foundation for moving forward. I've been sharing a little bit here and there the last couple of days or so about some of the projects that I've been working on. And solid foundation. I just got that right now, sharing all of this with y'all, trying to figure out what is it I am meant to share with you about petrified wood and grounding, because it's more than just planting your feet on the ground and feeling roots, imaginary, energetic ones, growing from the bottom of your feet, 6 feet down, 6 feet around. It's more than that. It is about connecting to, okay, the ley lines, which I am like a super novice about. That just came through. And being able to create or shore up, that's an, okay, redefine, add to, there we go, thank you, add to the solid foundation that I have been creating, that you have been creating. Petrified wood is amazing for that. What kind of ancient energies are you willing to let go of? What kind of ancient energies or connections are you willing to discover more of, become more aware of, maybe even explore in your own life? Oh, I'm so glad to have finally connected with what was to come through, because these vlogs are always in the moment. And this one took 4 tries to start. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul, and we'll connect again very soon.